Hello students, welcome to the science class. Chapter name is Stars and Solar System with Kanchan Singh from RKG Educational College. I am Kanchan Singh. I am from RKG Education College and today's chapter name is Stars and Solar System. हम लोग stars and solar system के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. This is our solar system and this is sun and this is our planets. So this is all are our solar system. Stars and solar system. The object which exist in the sky are called celestial objects. The objects which exist in the sky are called celestial objects. Satellites like moon and planets like Earth, asteroid, comets, meteoroids, stars are called celestial objects. Okay, satellites like moon, planets like Earth, and asteroids, comets, meteoroids, stars are called celestial objects. Celestial objects, it means Akashiya pind. Asteroids means Chota Tara. Comets means Dhumketu. And meteoroids means Ulka Pind. Stars, ये सारे हमारे stars हैं. And Earth. Planets like Earth, Jupiter, Mars, etc. It is called the Earth. So satellites like moons is the satellite. So satellites like moon, planets like Earth, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, stars are called the celestial objects. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn about various celestial objects. In this chapter, we are going to learn about various celestial objects. Night sky. The various celestial objects which we can see easily in the night sky are stars, planets, moon, and meteors or shooting air stars. Okay, meteors and shooting stars. An important characteristic of stars is that they appear of twinkle in the sky. Planets don't twinkle because they are much more nearer to the earth than the star. Moon is the most prominent object which we can see in the night sky. So, night sky, the various celestial objects like stars, planets, moons, and the characteristics of the stars is that appears to the twinkle in the sky. Planets don't twinkle because they are much more nearer to the earth than the stars. Moon is the most prominent object which we can see in the night sky. Stars. Stars are the celestial objects that are extremely hot and have light of their own. जो stars हैं, stars are the celestial objects that are extremely hot and have lights to their own. The stars appears to be small because they are very very far away from us. Okay. The sun is the star which is nearest to the earth. Sun is also called a star. So sun is the star which is nearest to the earth. The sun is look like bigger and brighter because it is much nearer to us than any other stars. Okay. This is the pole star, the unit of measuring distance in universe. It is called a light year. जो हम लोग यूनिवर्स में दूरी को मेजर करते हैं उसे हम लोग लाइट ईयर कहते हैं. The distance between the various celestial objects like stars and planets are expressed in the unit of light year. One light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay. So, 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 light year is the unit distance. It is the light year is the unit of distance, and 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 12. Distance after the sun, the nearest star is Proxima Centauri. The distance between Proxima Centauri is 4.3 light years. 4.3 light years. Distance from the Earth to Proxima Centauri is the next nearest star. So 4.24 light years. Okay. Solar system. अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे what is solar system. Solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, and millions of smaller celestial objects such as asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. The 8 planets of solar system, according to their orders, are. What is the order of the 8 planets? It is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The gravitational pull of the sun keeps all the planets and other objects revolving around. Okay, so solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, and millions of the smallest celestial objects such as asteroids, comets, and meteorites. The 8 planets of the solar system, according to their orders, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The gravitational pull of the sun keeps all the planets and other objects revolving around. Okay. Next, this is the sun and this is Mercury. After that, Venus, Earth, Mars. This is big Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. Sorry, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. This is the order like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Sun. The sun is a star. It is a star around Earth and other planets which revolve. Okay. The sun is a star having a system of planets around it with life on one of its planets called Earth. The sun is an extremely hot object having temperature 60,000 degrees Celsius. And the sun is not a solid object. The sun is consists mostly of hydrogen gas. The sun is the main source of heat and light energy for all the planets of the solar system and their satellites. So this is our sun, and this some highlights are that with some highlights are sun is a star. It is around the earth and other planets, which it is a star around earth and other planet revolves. Means चारों तरफ घूमते हैं sun के. The sun is a star having a solar system around it and life their planet is called the earth. मतलब एक ही planet है जिसमें जो sun के around घूमता है जो जिसका नाम है हमारा earth. The sun is the extremely hot object. The temperature is 6,000 degrees Celsius. Sun is not a solid object. Sun consists mostly of hydrogen gas. Okay, the sun is the main source of heat and light energy for all the planets of the solar system and their satellites. Okay, this is our sun. Next, this is this is the sun. Planets. Planets are large celestial objects which revolve around the sun. Its closed elliptical path are called orbit. The 8 planets of solar systems are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Planets have no light of them. A planet is made up of rock and metal or gas. All the planets revolve around the sun and also rotate on its axis. It is called planet. This is the sun. This is the moon. This is the earth. This is Mars. This is Venus. This is Uranus. This is Neptune. This is Pluto. This is Jupiter. This is Saturn. This is Mercury. This is the chart shows that how much diameter of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So diameter, average density 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 एंड प्लूटो को हम लोग अपना ग्रह मतलब अपने सौर मंडल में नहीं लेते क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा दूर है इसलिए यहाँ पर प्लूटो नहीं होता ठीक है सो डायमीटर एवरेज डेंसिटी दे रखी है ठीक है एल्बिडो एंड मिलियंस ऑफ किलोमीटर मतलब पृथ्वी से कितने किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस में है so this chart shows that the facts and figures of the planets next this is our moon sorry what this is Mercury so let's see Mercury is the planet which is nearest to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Okay, Mercury is the planet which is nearest to the sun and Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury can be seen either as a morning star in the eastern sky what morning stars and in the eastern sky just before the sunrise or an evening star in the western sky just after the sunset okay Mercury shows phases like a moon no life exists on the planet Mercury has no satellites okay Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. Venus is the closest closest planet to the Earth. Venus is the brightest object in the night sky. This is the brightest object. The hottest planet is Venus. This is the hottest planet. The planet Venus can be seen either as a morning star in the eastern sky just before sunrise or as an evening star in the western sky just after sunset. Venus shows faces like a moon. Venus has no satellite. Venus is called a what? Shukra Grah in Hindi. Okay. Venus is called a Shukra Grah in Hindi. This is our Earth. This is Venus. Earth. Earth is the only planet Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life is known to exist. Earth has one natural satellite called Moon, and it has 1072 artificial satellites. 1072 artificial satellites. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution and 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, so this is our Earth. How life is possible on Earth? Earth has an atmosphere which contains many gases including oxygen and carbon dioxide. The Earth has large quantities of water. The Earth has a suitable temperature range. The Earth has a protective blanket of ozone layer. That's why life is possible on Earth. Mars. Mars is also called the red planet because its surface appears to be red. Of all the planets, Mars is most like the Earth. The thin atmosphere of Mars contains mainly carbon dioxide with small amount of nitrogen, oxygen, noble gases and water vapors. Mars has two natural satellites also. This is our Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. It can fit 1300 Earth inside it. It is very big. That's why it's called the biggest planet of the solar system. But when compared to the Sun, Jupiter is much more smaller than the Sun. So think about the Sun, how much bigger it is. Okay. So, but when we compare the Sun, Jupiter is much more smaller than the Sun. Jupiter appears to be a very bright object in the night sky. Jupiter is the very bright object in the night sky. Jupiter is made mainly of hydrogen and helium. It has 28 satellites. It has 28 satellites. Saturn. Saturn is the second smallest. Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet in solar system. Saturn is also made what? Made up mainly of hydrogen and helium. Okay, hydrogen and helium. The most distinguished features of the Saturn is the system of colorful ring around it. The presence of well-developed ring circling Saturn makes the planet unique in the solar system. Saturn has 30 satellites and it is called a sunny grey in Hindi. Okay. Uranus. Uranus was the planet has been discovered with the help of the telescope. Uranus is the third biggest planet of the solar system. The most remarkable features of the Uranus is that it has highly tilted axis of rotations. Uranus appears to roll on its sides while orbiting around the Sun. Uranus is made of hydrogen and helium. Where this? Hydrogen and helium. The planet has 21 satellites. This is the Uranus. Neptune. The planet Neptune is the farthest from the Sun and the Earth. Neptune is the second planet which was discovered with the help of the telescope. Neptune is extremely cold planet. It is the fourth largest planet of the solar system. Okay, so it is the fourth largest planet of the solar system, and Neptune has 8 satellites. It is called the Varun Grah in Hindi. Satellites. A satellite is the celestial body that revolves around the planets. Moon is the satellites of the Earth. Mercury and Venus doesn't have a satellites. The satellites revolve around the planet due to the gravitational pull of the planets. The satellites have no lights of their own. They reflect sunlight. Okay. Moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the closest celestial object to the earth. It takes 29.5 days for moon to rotate the earth. The surface of the moon is covered with hard and loose dirt, craters and mountains. Since there is no air, water, life is impossible on moon surface. This is moon. Man on moon. Very sorry. Man on moon. The first man of the land of the moon was the Neil Armstrong, followed by Edwin Aldrin, and the last one is the Michael Collins of USA. They were a crew of Apollo 11. They landed on July 1969. This is the picture of 3-1. This is sunlight. This is moon. Some other members of the solar systems is, in addition to the sun, planets and satellites, the solar system also includes asteroids, comets, meteoroids and artificial satellites. This is Mars, asteroid belts and Jupiter. Comet, Sun and Earth. This picture shows that comet, Sun and Earth. Comets क्या होता है हमारे धूमकेतु, and this is Sun and Earth. Artificial satellites. What is artificial satellites? Okay, a man-made spacecraft placed in orbit around the Earth is called an artificial satellite. It is located on the ionosphere of the Earth. The motion of artificial satellite around the Earth is maintained by the gravitational pull of the Earth. There are 1072 artificial satellites in the world, in which 50% of Americans. 50% are the Americans. Difference between artificial satellites and the moon. Some of the major difference between the artificial and the moon is as follows. The artificial satellites are much nearer to the Earth than the moon. The highest of the artificial satellites from the Earth can be adjusted according to our needs. This is, however, impossible to the moon. Okay. This is the artificial satellites. This is also Aryabhat. India has built and launched many artificial satellites. The first artificial satellite launched by India was Aryabhat. Okay. Some other Indian satellites are Bhaskara, InSat, Rohini, Kalpana 1 and EduSat. The agency responsible for the development of space science programs in our country in Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Thank you, class.